Hello and welcome back to something very neat. What you see here is an alarm clock, a small box-shaped alarm clock out of wood, and pretty simple, but one thing that may catch your interest here is this small button on top of here. Yeah, what you see here is one of the most early built electrical alarm clocks. Which gets more obvious when you look down below here. There you can see the electric bell, and this button on top of here is to illuminate the dial. When you wake up at night, you want to know what time it is, but you can't just switch on your lights because your house doesn't have any electric lights or gas lights or candles at hand. Then you just press this button and the dial will get illuminated and you can read the time. Yeah. What's this box here? It's my reproduction of a matching battery pack to this clock. I just 3D printed it, put some accumulators in it so you can recharge it. And yeah, just a very simple repro. I will turn it around now and open it up so you can see the insides here. I'll just put the battery out of the way. Yeah. Down here, there you can see the container for the battery to put it in. And of course, the movement. There's a switch to switch on and off the alarm. You can see up here the small light bulb and the button. And when I zoom in now, so you can see it more closely there, you may notice that the movement is still completely mechanical. So you have to wind it up every day. Only the alarm function and of course the light are electric. Instead of a alarm mechanism, this movement still has the large leaf spring that usually sets free the hammer for the alarm bells, but no gears or such, or even the hammer itself. So this spring will activate an electrical contact to which these small wires there run, and that contact then will activate the bell in the bottom. Yeah, so there you can see the light bulb, which is slightly too large. Its glass envelope is a bit too large to fit in there properly. But so you get an idea how all this works. It also illuminates the dial pretty well still. But yeah, it's not as pretty as it should be, but I didn't have any other matching light bulb at hand. So yeah, up there, the button, and I can put in the battery now so you can see it. There we go. And if I press the button out there, so this is the light bulb function. If I move it around, you can see there's a cutout up there through which the light will shine and illuminate the dial. It doesn't work that in daylight, but I will post a picture, put a picture in there so you can see how it looks at night. It works pretty well, I have to say. And yeah, So let me zoom it back out again. You can see the switch there. It's currently already set to the right alarm time. And if I activate the bell now, it's pretty calm. But at least you won't stand up in your bed when the alarm clock rings. Yeah. It's a pretty neat clock, I have to say. Let's just ring that bracket clock from the last video to the end. Should have turned that off. Anyway, you can see how this works. It's basically just an electric bell. Nothing too major. But yeah, still a pretty nice clock, I think. A very early piece of electrical equipment, probably around 1900, maybe a bit earlier, but yeah, rather about 1900, 1910. Its look is, it looks quite Austrian made, could also be English, but in Austria they designed these clocks like this too. I have an Austrian bracket clock that looks almost identical when it comes to these decorations. But yeah, very nice piece, and I think worth showing. So if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And if you like such content, consider subscribing. That would be very great. And yeah, leave a like if you liked that video. And until that, I say see you next time and bye.